Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel drive, LED headlights, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.